welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rhea and my YouTube channel is Rhea_Home for 4. I want to wish you belated Merry Christmas and advanced Happy New Year, or Happy New Year. It depends on when I'm going to be posting this YouTube video. And I hope you enjoyed your Christmas, and also I hope you enjoyed your New Year. Thank you so much for always coming back and watching my content. But today I am going to be unboxing the winter boots that I ordered off of Amazon. If you haven't checked the roundup of winter/snow boots that I posted off my storefront in Amazon, I do have a link in my Instagram account. All my socials is in my bio over there. You can see me on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and everywhere else. But if you want to check it out, you can see my link in the bio. And also, if you're interested in buying the same exact thing, I'll be linking all the links of the product of this boots that I'm going to be unboxing in Amazon. I am an Amazon influencer. I do a little I earn a little bit of commission. It's not going to cost you an extra. It rather helps me make more videos and make a little bit of money on the side. And I really appreciate it if you can use my link. If not, you are always free to source it out and look for it yourself. Thank you. So the one that I bought, the brand is Sorel. I ended up buying this one because I do like the reviews that's in the Amazon reviews. You know, like you and like most people, we rely on the reviews that we see, or we watch in YouTube, such as this, the one that I'm making. But it has like really good review right now. It has 4.5 stars. One of the things that I like about this one is that the color is in camel. But okay, I'm gonna show it to you. I haven't seen it yet. It's from the box. I'm typically size 7, but I ordered 7.5 or 7.5 so that it can accommodate my socks, because I want to wear like thicker socks during the winter or when I'm out in the cold weather or in the snow. It's so pretty. I don't know about you guys, but for me, even if it's cold or winter or something that you wear outdoors, I try to make it, pretty, because I like pretty things. But the color I so love. Okay, I'm gonna break it down based on the description over here. So this snow boots is called Sorel, or Sorel, Sorel. Link is in the description box down below. It's meant for snow or winter. The bottom part over here is made of rubber. The sole material is made of rubber, so it's probably good whenever you're walking in the snow to kind of like give that good traction. In my area here where I live in the United States, we don't have snow yet. It's really strange because it's a little warm this December. Typically when in my area it's typically like 30 or 40 degrees, but on Christmas Day we had 72, but it's really weird. But once we have snow, I'm going to wear this, but I can still wear this even if there's snow because it's meant for cold weather. But this one is made of rubber, and this one is also made of rubber right there. And the side, it has the logo of Sorel, and then it's waterproof. So at least with the snow that gets into it, it's not gonna like the inner of your shoes, and it's gonna protect your feet or your legs from frostbite. So we want to do that. It is made of nylon. It's mentioned in the description over here, and it looks like it's really well made, and it's laced up. So I'm gonna show you the inside of this one. So the inner sole, or the inner material of this one is like, it's kind of like a fleece. It's kind of like a fleece material over here, and I like that this one is all the way to my because I'm a short person, so this might go all the way through my mid calf area. For tall people, it probably will go a little bit above your ankle, but for me, I'm a short person, so it's gonna go all the way through my calf area, mid calf area, and then I want to wear like socks like that. so that it still would cover even if I'm wearing just leggings or jeans, so it would still protect me from the cold weather. I like that there's this over here, kind of like a thingy, because I want to, like, whenever I go inside, I want to hang it in the garage so that whatever water or snow that is in the shoes, it will come off and drip, kind of like a hanging thingy. So over here, it looks like they're separated. I don't know if this one is removable. Oh, it is removable. And also, by the way, it says here insulated slash waterproof. So it's really good because it will keep your feet and legs warm while you're outside in the cold weather. I haven't tried it yet. This is my first time seeing this product outside or off of Amazon. But I'm going to wear this for sure because it looks very nice. But this one looks like it's removable. We're gonna try to remove that, but let me read real quick. Well, I'm not sure, but anyway, let's look at the sole of this shoes. There is like kind of like a style. It's like a herringbone style of rubber material over here, and I guess it would help with the traction on the whatever, on the slippery or the snowy part where you're walking on. And I also like that there's like two colors, or two different colors over here. It's not just pure black. So there's black, and then there's this beige, and then there's black, beige, and then black, and then beige, and then the camel color over here. I really like that, but and there are other colors available of this brand off of Amazon. There's beige, and then this one camel, and I think there's black. And I think that's it. There are three colors. I'm going to be linking in the description box below. But anyway, I am. There's also red, by the way. So there's black, beige, this one, the camel, and then there's red or dark red or deep red, something like that. But I am going to be um, trying to take this off if it is removable. It is removable. So what you can do with this type of situation right here, because it is removable, if you end up using this in the snow, and if at some point the snow or some of the like water or rain gets into this, you can easily dry this up by separating them, like removing this part and then hanging this in there. Or if you want to wash, like I suggest, because it's made of felt material, you can easily just rinse this with regular, probably warm water with, I don't recommend using soap. Just rinse it off with water and hang it in the garage. I don't recommend putting this in the dryer because of the material. This can easily like attract fire, or it's fire hazard because it's made of fleece. So do not put this in the dryer. You can hang this and air dry this if this becomes wet. And also this one, it becomes like you can easily hang this too because of this part over here. So there's that. I am going to grab some winter socks, and I'm going to show you, and I'm going to try it on and let you know how it feels or what it feels like. By the way, I found this really fuzzy and really soft socks. I am going to be linking the link in the description box down below, but the brand name is Soft Sole. It is not sponsored. I just like it because it's really soft, and this is the one that I'm gonna be using to try this on. But it's a cozy large socks, soft sole, fireside. It's really soft, and it says here infused with aloe vera. It smells good. It's so soft. This socks is so soft. You know what? After putting on the socks, like I said, I am size 7, but I ordered 7.5 on this one. It's kind of tight, but maybe I don't know. Maybe I have to break it in. I'm probably gonna get a half size bigger. I don't know, but it depends. My feet is wide, so maybe I need a bigger size. We'll see. So it hits right kind of like in the middle of my calf over here. So it's really good. I like it. So I went outside and tried the shoes. Like earlier, I was putting the shoes on. I went outside, although there is no snow in my area. It rained like 2 days ago, so our grass is a little damp. So I feel like I'm going to keep this. Although I was saying earlier that it's a little tight, but actually it was just like kind of like it's snugging my feet perfectly, and I don't want anything that's anything looser than what I have right now. So I am regular 7, but I ordered 7.5. So I am going to keep this. And while I was walking in the grass earlier, I said the grass is a little damp. It kind of like it feels like it's giving you that little traction because of the sole over here. There's the rubber sole. Yeah, it's dirty now because I was outside, but that was a really good test because I was taking pictures earlier, and I'm going to be putting all the pictures that I have in this video. But I think I'm going to keep this. If you like, I hope you find this video helpful. I think the material is good, the rubber is very good. I don't know if this will withstand the snow or the rain just yet, but I will be updating you in the future when I'm able to use this in the snow. But I would like to say thank you very much for always watching my YouTube channel. Sa mga Bisaya, daghan kayong salamat sa pagsigig tanaw sa akong mga YouTube videos. Sa mga Tagalog, maraming salamat sa parating panonood ng mga YouTube videos ko. And to all my subscribers and viewers all over the world and here in the United States, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And if you are new to my channel and you like what I'm doing here, don't forget to hit like and then subscribe to my YouTube channel, Ray_Home44. And as always, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!